हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक। कैसे चल रहा है आप लोगों का श्रावण और कैसे चल रहा है आपका फास्ट? आई होप यू आर डूइंग इट इन अ वेरी राइट वे. Fasting is like giving your body a much needed vacation so that it can rejuvenate and detoxify from constant eating and munching. The first simple step that you can do during your fasting is eliminating sugar, cereals, processed food या dairy items such as cheese and butter. So अगर हमने इसमें से एक भी item पूरे दिन में से हटा दिया and if you string it together, you can fast for a whole month. So today we are going to talk about traditional and the healthy way of fasting. But before that, if you have any of the health ailments or any disease, please consult a doctor or a dietitian or any expert before going to the fasting phase. So मेरे यहाँ बहुत सारे clients हैं जो मुझे पूछते हैं what is your way of fasting or what are the foods that you include during your fasting. My answer is traditional. जितना natural उतना easy on my body. So let's see what are the different ways of fasting. Firstly, include as much as raw food you can include into your diet. So from your fruits to your nuts to your seeds. Fruits you can have it in the morning or you can have it like as it is. Try not to combine your fruit with any of the things like milkshakes वगैरह or fruit juices. Have your fruit as a whole so that you get the vitamins, mineral, the fiber from the food and you get that energy and freshness from the food. Secondly, hydrate yourself well. Try to drink more of water. Try and include your coconut water or lemon water, but not with sugar. It has to be with jaggery because we are eliminating sugar. Try not to have more of tea and coffee and not start your day with tea and coffee. You can have herbal teas like CCF tea, that is cumin, coriander, fennel tea, or you can have lemongrass tea. Thirdly, diversity is required. So try and include food जो हम रोज के दिन में नहीं खाते हैं, जैसे कि मिलेट्स हो गए, जैसे हो गया राजगिरा, सामो, साबुदाना, कुट्टू. You can make many different recipes from this. मेरा personal favorite is Sabudana Khichadi. And yes, it has to be with that groundnut and not with the potatoes. So a combination of good starch along with good fat and protein is going to give you that energy so that you can sustain the whole fast. And definitely Sabudana Khichadi filling होता है जो बहुत लंबे समय तक हमें भूख भी नहीं लगता. But you have to have it during your breakfast and not as a dinner item. Like fourth one, you have to include more of nuts, more of dried foods जैसे कि almond, walnut, cashew, पिस्ता, अंजीर. ये सारी चीज़ें आप हर रोज़ के दिन में खा सकते हो. The only thing is try and soak your dry fruits so that it is easy on your digestive system. You can add them to your milk to make a milkshake also. So when we're talking about snack or snacking or in between meals, you can have makhanas, you can have curd, you can have farali khakra. But my favorite is peanut and jaggery. So that is a very mixed combination of a very good protein, a polyphenol, a vitamins, a micro minerals. So it is going to give you that boost to your digestive system as well. So have a happy and balanced Shravan, and fast or no fast, eating right, be it in a fasting way, is a new healthy.